Hello everyone and welcome back to Remote Only Hub. In today's video, I share 8 fully remote jobs that are paying anywhere from $45,000 to $70,000 per year, and they're hiring now. The first company I have for you today is through Dagny Dover, and they do all types of different bags from duffels, backpacks, purses, wallets, and more. And the position I have is Customer Experience Associate, and all you'll need is 1 year of relevant experience in a customer-facing role, preferably e-commerce within the fashion industry. You'll primarily handle customer concerns over the phone, and the pay is $58,500 per year. The next company I have for you is Cozy Meal, and they offer hands-on cooking classes, private chefs, guided food and drink tours, as well as online cooking and mixology classes, and they also offer some products as well. The job they have available is for a customer support team lead. This position pays about $50,000 per year, and in this role, you'll lead a team, but you'll also provide support to customers and respond to inquiries via phone, chat, and email. You only need 4 years of experience leading a customer support team, and it's best if you have experience with KPIs and experience working with a CRM platform. This is a fully remote work anywhere in the world company, so it's worldwide, and it does have a bit of a flexible schedule as long as you work 8 hours, with 6 of those between the hours of 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. within a US time zone. The next company I have is through First Leaf, and they are a wine subscription service. You do get access to a wine concierge, and each box comes with tasting notes and pairing cards. And the position they're hiring for is for a wine concierge specialist / customer service specialist, and in this role you'll be responsible for some proactive outreach via outbound calls and emails for retention purposes, upselling, and ensuring that the member is getting the full benefits from their membership. The role pays $22 to $24 per hour, and the schedule is Sunday through Thursday, 8:30 to 5 p.m. Pacific time. And all you'll need for this role is previous outbound calling experience or experience in a contact center. Zendesk and prior wine experience is also preferred. The next job I have for you is through a company called TeamSnap, and they make it easy for youth sports teams to complete registration, invoicing, scheduling, and more within their platform. And the role they're hiring for is for a customer experience enablement coordinator. And in this role, you'll be responsible for documenting new or updated processes, creating training content, and maintaining a knowledge base within Confluence. All you'll need for this role is experience in managing multiple projects from initial planning to deployment, and they do prefer that you have prior experience with a software as a service or tech company and a background in process improvement within a customer service organization. And finally, the pay for this role starts at a minimum of $60,000. The next job I have for you is through a company called Penumbra, and they offer medical products that they design, develop, and manufacture that address challenging conditions, mainly neuro and vascular. And the position I have for you is a Customer Order Specialist 1, and in this role you'll be responsible for processing hospital purchase orders, which you'll receive via fax and email, and then you'll input those orders into the ERP system. You'll also help customers by verifying the order status and providing shipping details, as well as some administrative duties, amongst other tasks. All you'll need is a high school diploma, experience with Microsoft Office, and this position pays $21 to $23 per hour. The next job I have for you is through Sticker Mule, and they do everything from custom stickers, labels, magnets, buttons, packaging, t-shirts, keychains, and more. They mostly cater to large and small businesses, but they do allow small quantity orders for personal as well. The position I have for you today is a sales consultant. And in this position, you will mostly be identifying prospects, converting them into customers, upselling, and working on retention as well. You'll also educate customers via phone and email about Sticker Mule products and services, and even do webinars and screen sharing if necessary. You will need to have prior experience in sales for this role and be willing to travel for meetings, shows, and events. This position starts at $69,000 per year, and there is a signing bonus as well. The next job I have for you is through a company called Gloss Genius, and they provide automated appointment scheduling, payment processing, client management, and built-in marketing solutions for businesses within the beauty industry, such as hairdressers, nail artists, massage therapists, lash technicians, and more. And the position they're hiring for is customer support expert. And in this role, you'll be responsible for processing support tickets via phone and text, and working with customers to resolve any issues they're having with the platform, provide education, and help them reach their business goals. You'll need at least 1 year of experience in a customer-facing role, preferably in the SaaS industry, so software as a service, and the pay for this role is $55,000 per year. The next job I have for you is through Trupanion, and they provide pet insurance for cats and dogs, and they also cover a variety of different services you would get at the vet's office, so they do list those there. So everything from medications, prescription food, dentistry, testing, allergies, and emergencies, and they do cover those costs immediately when you're at the vet, stating they are the world's only provider to pay the bill in real time at checkout. And the position they're hiring for is an overnight customer support specialist. And in this role, you'll handle inbound phone calls, chat, and email in a remote call center environment supporting Trupanion members. You'll handle sensitive and sometimes emotionally charged situations with empathy and care. And for this position, you'll need 1 year of experience working an overnight shift and 2 years of experience in a high-volume customer support environment. They do offer a $1,500 sign-on bonus if you are currently licensed, but if you're not licensed, Trupanion will provide coursework and paid study time during the first 3 weeks of property and casualty training for qualified states in the U.S. They do state that shifts range between 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, and the pay for this position is $22 per hour. And that's the last company that I have for you guys today, but if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, because I do post videos just like this every week. And if you're looking for a remote, entry-level, or mid-range job, you won't want to miss it.